folks what you're doing.
With the pry tool, I remove the clips that hold in the climate control unit. Remove all the little clips that hold this thing in. Remove 4 screws. And remove the radio.
And this is an Acura MDX, correct?
Correct.
What year?
That's it.
Okay, and you're installing the new USA spec PA15 Han 2, right?
No fun there. Remove these. And then remove these from the radio. This piece.
Alrighty.
Remove before use. On this plug. And the white plug. Release in a sec.
Go.
Okay, first I set the dip switches to what the instruction says. And I plug harness 1 into the XM port. And then harness 2 into this port. And the orange wire, because the blue wire is not to be used. Plug in the main harness, and then I'm ready to reinstall the radio. Hide this in the appropriate location. Make sure nothing goes in or out around it. Take all my necessary wires, keep them out of the way. IPOD. Give her enough room to use it.
I have a parts call on line 2, parts line 2.
Find all my wires, and I'm ready to reinstall the radio.
Line 2, please. Russell.
Busy at the moment, ma'am.
I have a parts call on line 2. I need a parts specialist on line 2, please.
Installed. Yeah. Finished product. It's installed. This cable allows for 3G charging of the new iPhone and all the new iPod products. Allows control from the radio and displays text.